and we are going on a California road trip. We'll be starting in Marin and then working our way down the coast all the way to Half Moon Bay. We had to do oysters, of course. We got the barbecue and the raw, and we are getting their baked brie, which looks and smells to die for. And I couldn't help myself. I had to get the Dungeness crab sandwich. Look at this thing. That looks amazing. Yum.
Fun to try the varietals side by side because they are, I would say, drastically different from each other.
That's amazing.
Based solely on the honey. So nothing in production has changed from the first one to this one. The only difference is the flour that the bees are making.
Right. It smells different.
Yeah, it's a little
smells
more
like a different flour.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's like a little bit more tart. It's really good. Yeah.
Cheers, guys!
I just checked in at Nick's Cove. It's one of the most iconic places here, and this is an absolute drink. We're right on the water. My hotel room looks like a little boat. So now that I'm all checked into the most adorable hotel room ever created, I'm gonna go ahead and step out onto my patio and enjoy a glass of wine. Then the perfect day. Just had an awesome night's stay here in Nick's Cove, but it's time to head out to Point Reyes Station for a little bit more adventure.
But I would love for you to try this cheese first. This is Toma. This is yes, our most mild table cheese that we produce, and it really represents the flavors of the farm. It's got a lot of butter notes to it, and the aroma, a little bit of an herbaceous feel to it as well. And then when you taste it, it's just kind of hit creamy butter notes, and a little bit of a grassy tang finish that comes from the cow's nuts. So I always say if we do our job right in the creamery, all of our cheeses in their own unique way taste like our milk and our milk tastes like our farm.
It's breakfast time, and I am told that when in Marin, you have to eat at Rustic Bakery and Cafe. There are 4 locations around the area, and fortunately for me, there's one right here in Tiburon. So let's go see what's baking. Holy epic pastry spread. In true Marin style, Rustic Bakery focuses on handcrafted, locally sourced, made fresh daily, the whole MO of this whole area. And trust me, you can totally taste it. I just got into Half Moon Bay, which is just 30 minutes south of San Francisco. I love that there seems to be so many family farms located right off of Highway 1. Wouldn't be a true California road trip without stopping into a local brewery, so I'm here at Half Moon Bay Brewing Company to try a couple of their beers. Oh my gosh, where to start? Cheers! Here we are, the last stop on our adventure. We're at Mavericks Beach, and this is actually where I leave you. But thank you so much for coming with me on this amazing California coastal road trip. See you on the next one.